In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get QuickBooks in PC. We'll walk through getting the official QuickBooks Desktop software onto your Windows computer from start to finish. I'll keep it simple, add helpful context along the way, and make sure you know exactly what to click and why so you can install with confidence. Begin by opening your web browser and going directly to the official Intuit QuickBooks website at quickbooks.intuit.com. Sticking to the official site ensures you get the correct installer, valid licensing, and proper updates without any risk from third-party downloads. Once you're there, look for QuickBooks Desktop and choose the edition that best fits your needs, such as Pro, Premier, or Enterprise. QuickBooks Desktop is the version you install on your PC, which is different from the cloud-based QuickBooks Online. Before you proceed, it's a good idea to glance at the system requirements to confirm your Windows version, memory, and available storage are compatible. This helps avoid slowdowns or installation errors later. Next, sign in with your Intuit account, or create one if you don't have it yet. Your account is where your purchase, license details, and downloads are stored, so everything stays organized in one place. Keep your login secure and make sure you can access the email tied to the account in case you need verification during setup. After purchase, go to your Intuit account's products or downloads area. Locate your QuickBooks Desktop product, click download, and save the installer. The file will have a .exe extension to a folder you can find easily, like downloads or your desktop. A stable internet connection helps the download complete smoothly. If your browser asks for permission to save the file, approve it and wait until it finishes. When the download is complete, close any unnecessary programs to speed up installation. Open the folder where you saved the file, then double-click the installer to launch the setup. If Windows asks for permission to make changes, click Yes. Follow the installation wizard on screen, review and accept the license agreement, then choose the default or recommended setup unless you have a specific reason to customize it. When prompted, enter your license and product numbers exactly as shown in your Intuit account or purchase confirmation, then continue and click Install. The process may take a few minutes. When it's done, open QuickBooks from the new desktop shortcut or your Start menu. The first launch can take a bit longer as it finalizes components. If you're prompted to sign in or register, go ahead. This keeps your product activated and ready to use. If the download didn't appear, try refreshing the page or switching browsers. If you can't find the installer, check your downloads folder or your browser's recent downloads list. And if the installer won't run, right-click it and select Run as Administrator. That's it. QuickBooks Desktop is now set up on your PC and ready to go.